Morning everybody, welcome to Road Rodent Restore. If you watched last week's video, you'll know it was on this, and I did say it's running perfectly fine, no more to do to it, but I've been on it a few times in the week, and this is what it sounds like. So, as you know, I want to try and sell it, but I can't sell it with spluttering like that, can I? So, let's try to fix it. Okay, so I've got all the seat and tank off. So what I'm going to do next is take all the spark plugs out and check the colours. So, okay, so we've got all the spark plugs out. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Number 1 is pretty sooty. Number 2 is a bit sooty. Number 3 is looking okay. And number 4 is looking okay. So I think I've got to turn the air mixture screws down a bit more on those two. And that number 1 more. Number 2 just a little bit. What I've got to do now is lift the carburetors up, and it's these two carburetors. Just try and lift them up and try and get to the air adjuster screws and turn them in. I think in is weaken and out is richen. Yes, I'm pretty sure that's right. I've got a chart somewhere. Yes, there it is. Out rich, in weaken. It's just my little, for my tyres and you know, the tyre pressures on the different bikes. So anyway, let's get on with doing that. So there then, hopefully you can see that we've got the carburetor clamps off. What I'm trying to get to is these little air jets under here, mixture screws. I've got to do that one, and I've got to do that one next to it, which you can't see, I don't think. And I've got my own made little screwdriver. So let me try and do that. I think this one could go in by about 1/4 of a turn. So I've got to try and get it in there. Feel where the groove is. I think I'm on the groove. Then turn it. I turn it about 1/4. And I don't think you can see the other one, but let's try and find the groove on that. I think we're on it. Just turn it a fraction. Oh, I don't think we're on it. Where are you? So you want to do it all by feel, you can't actually see what you're doing. And then you drop your screwdriver down there. Anyway, you get the idea, so I'll be back to you when we've done all that. So here we are, most of it done off camera, all back together. What we've got to do now is get dressed up in our leathers, Trevor's. Well, it seems a bit better. Well, it just seems spot on really. At the moment, I don't think we're quite up to temperature yet, but I can go quite slow and it starts to pick up rather than, you know what I mean. Yes, it seems a lot better. Slow down a bit, boy. Yes, seems a lot better. I think that's about it. I don't think we need to do any more tweaking. I'm only doing 30, look. Well, 32. If you can see that. And there's no spluttering or anything. Perfect. We've done it. Perseverance pays off in the end. So, we'll see you back in the shed to say ta-da, 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 Figaro, 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 whoa. Can't you tell I'm excited? Yes. Not too excited that it's going, just excited that it's running properly. Yeah, I'm happy with this. So, see you in the shed, like I said, Fred. Oh, yes. Right then, so this video was supposed to be all about the ZXR750 H1. Basically the video was going to end up with me selling this bike, you seeing it go, and then me buying a car with a tow bar, putting a trailer on it, and then you seeing me go to fetch another project. That's how it was all supposed to be going, but things just don't turn out like you want them to, do they? Never, usually. Very occasionally they do. But, you know, because of all this coronavirus and all the stuff what's going around, nobody can leave their house or anything like that. So nobody's buying anything and nobody's selling anything. So I have no chance of getting rid of this anytime soon. So I'm going to call this the end of this video. Obviously, because I can't make any more video, because I can't proceed any further with what I was going to do. Oh, and so now I will leave you with me enjoying myself on my ZXR750 H1, and maybe one or two people trying to kill me before the coronavirus gets me. Okay, let's see how fast this baby can reach 70. There we are, 78. Don't tell anybody about it. Oh, it's a bit hard on the neck at 70. Pretty good though. Tell you, still got loads more left. Don't tell anybody, but that might have been. Minimal. No social distancing whatsoever. People are just crazy, aren't they? There, it won't happen to me. I won't get the COD 19. Do you know what the 19 means? 19 billion people are gonna die. I don't like this gravel. I'm a pussy. Fucking it won't be the coronavirus that gets me, it'll be some stupid fucking van driver. In a world of their own, aren't they?
I see you in another life, brother.